Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Google Earth not working or not opening on laptop or PC. So if you also want to fix Google Earth not working or not opening on laptop or PC, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if your Google Earth is not working on PC, it might be because of various reasons. The first reason might be because you've enabled the VPN. If your VPN is enabled, you'll not be able to use Google Map on PC. So make sure to turn off the VPN. The next reason why Google Map is not working might be because of the cache. In order to delete the cache, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see right over here on your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is click on the option settings that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to the Chrome settings interface. From here, you'll be able to access the settings. At left, you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the options like You and Google, autofill and passwords, privacy and security. Simply click on the third option, privacy and security. Now you'll be led to the privacy and security interface. What you have to do is scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the options for delete browsing data, privacy guide, third-party cookies, add privacy, etc. What you have to do is click on the first option, delete browsing data. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. From here, you'll be able to delete the browsing data. You'll be able to find the options for basic and advanced over here. Make sure basic option is selected. Now you'll have to select the time range. You can see over here right now last hour is selected. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Make sure to click on the option all time. Now after that, make sure all of these options are checked. You'll be able to find the option for browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files. Make sure all of these options are selected. Now after that, what you have to do is click on the option delete data that you can see right over here. Now after the cache of your Chrome has been deleted, Google Earth should start working now. If it still does not work, what you can do is try restarting your device. After that, Google Earth will definitely work. You can see over here, let me just open Google Earth. You can see over here, you can open Google Earth by simply searching for earth.google.com. You can see over here, Google Earth is working. So that is how you fix Google Earth not working or not opening on PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.